This custom mug is making thousands of dollars each month, but the thing is, there's dozens of other custom products just like it that are also bringing in thousands of dollars of passive income.
Isn't this the same thing every other guru says about print on demand, drop shipping, etc.? However, guys, drop shipping may or may not be halal. Make sure you do your due diligence, ask your favorite scholar before you pursue. I do not do it because I have doubt. Also, drop shipping is not a good model at all, like it was a couple of years ago. Yes, it definitely works. Some people are doing it really well, and you have to be consistent, stay persistent in order to get results at anything. However, this is kind of new method and we want to learn from this video. But guys, at any point, if you feel it's too much, it's not for you, you need something 99% done for you because you have a 9-to-5 day job, or you have an existing business, or you are just tech challenged. You need help, you need mentorship, you need community, and you need an amazing deal. Then you should go to moshbari.com or 99dfi.com or ultimateonlinemastery.org, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and watch the free training. The free training, yay! The free training will show you how we run our AI-powered, semi-automated digital marketing business and how we help busy beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like these guys, like yourself, earn this kind of commission. However, none of the incomes are typical and it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is simple and it is 99% done for you. So watch the free training and you can decide whether it is the best of the best program for you or not. And if you have any question at all, feel free to ask me on Instagram. Just DM me and ask. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. See you there. Now we are definitely not going to watch the full video and steal another person's work. Instead, we are going to use our handy dandy Teachable app. How does it work? First, we get the transcript of the video. We put it right here and just one click, then another one click. Then click the blue button and then click the pink button and this website is ready. This can be used as a lead magnet or as a short training or short course, which is built with another person's video, not my video. Oh, by the way, you can add call to action button right here that will show exactly the time you want it to. You can use this as a lead magnet or as a challenge page or as a short course page. Generate leads and sales. You want access to this app? Check the link in the description. Let's begin with today's CARES method. This acronym and these sections are automatically generated with AI. Every letter in this acronym came from each section of this video. Amazing, right? Let's start.
This custom mug is making thousands of dollars each month, but the thing is, there's dozens of other custom products just like it that are also bringing in thousands of dollars of passive income each month.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
But how can you sell custom products while keeping the entire business passive? Today, let me introduce you to a new side hustle that you've never heard of before, an automated personalized products business. Over the last year, I've talked about selling mugs, posters, and t-shirts online. And I've shown you the proof for how these products can make tens of thousands of dollars of passive income per month. And I've shown you exactly how I personally do this myself. Is that custom products not only sell more often than these pre-made products, but they also make more profit per sale since the product is customized to the buyer. The thing is, selling these custom products the traditional way is difficult and by hardly anyone does it, which makes right now the perfect time to cover exactly how to leverage the power of AI to start this side hustle in the easiest way possible while keeping the entire business completely passive.
Ha ha ha. There is nothing called passive income, by the way. It's a lie. It's an illusion, hallucination, delusion. What's passive? You have to be active at some level with, on, and into your business. However, I think this is a great idea because everyone loves customized, personalized. And there are tons of people who are ready to pay premium price for custom products. Hence, the first step, C, stands for custom products as a gold mine. On to the second step.
So in this video, we're looking at real shops and listings so that you can see the proof for yourself. I'll explain the entire process and business model, and I'm even going to set up some custom products completely automated with AI right here in this video so that you can see just how easy it is to get started. But for you to actually see this working in real time and understand how the entire business works, this mug here on Etsy is a great example because it's super simple, but it's still a custom product where the buyer gets to decide what the design says. So when they have their idea ready, then they go through and they choose a font, and then they'll put their request in this personalization box, which tells the shop owner what they want the design to say before they buy the mug. The shop owner will then make the custom design, put it on the mug, and get it printed and shipped to the customer. And although this is a newer listing, they posted it April 9th, about 5 months ago, it's already made over $18,000 or around $3,000 a month, all from one single mug listing. But it gets way crazier than that. There's other mugs like this one that also offer customization to make even more money. And this one's doing a little more at around $16,000 a month. And they're just letting users customize a little name in the middle of the mug, just adding a little bit of personalized detail, but it definitely pays off. By the end of the video, we'll be able to create and automate an entire custom products business, keeping it completely passive and not just selling mugs, but any product you want, like this ornament.
All right, although this section is called AI automation for ease, I did not quite understand where is the AI part in it. However, AI is mentioned and AI will be used in the later stage. On to step number 3.
It's a wedding or first Christmas together gift ornament, and the customer is able to change out the names or the year on the ornament, which makes it a perfect gift that actually feels special. It's much better than just a generic ornament because it's customized to the person you're giving it to. And it really shows because as we get closer to Christmas, this listing is making approximately $30,000 a month and just over $232,000 in less than the first year that it's been available for sale. But that's the same reason hardly anyone has tapped into this business yet, because a product selling 50 times per day, when you have to make the custom design, send it to the customer for approval, wait for any revisions they have, make those revisions, and then print it on the product and ship it out to them, it would take a ton of time to do all of this work manually, and you couldn't run this business from a laptop until now. This is exactly where Hello Custom AI comes into play. We'll use Canva to create our custom product template design, and then we'll put it on top of a mockup to make it look nice. This is what the customer sees and what they're going to buy. Then we'll use Hello Custom to connect to our Canva account and import the designs we make. This tool lets shoppers customize their design in real time, seeing what the end result is going to look like before they ever even place the order. This saves you time for having to make the design every single time your product sells, and it saves all of your customers time from having to wait around for you to send a preview while they hope it looks right.
Wow. Thank you, man. His name is Alec. You might want to go and subscribe to him, whether you do it or not, but this was genuine information. That's why he has 500,000 subscribers. Okay, we have searched for Hello Custom and it looks like this is the website, but there is another website. Okay, no problem. The first one was a sponsored link and the second one is the real link. So basically the same website. This is cool. This is a real use case of AI, right? Okay, let me quickly show you the pricing. It's $24 plus 29 cents per sale. Okay, good. I think it's just $25 per year and 29 cents per sale. This is good. No problem at all. I just love it. Let's go to the next step, E. E for easy business setup.
Then all that's left is getting that design printed on the product and shipped to the customer. And since Hello Custom integrates directly with Printify, we can do exactly that. Whenever a customer places an order, Hello Custom is going to save the design that they made, upload it to the product that they ordered, and Printify will have that design printed on the product and get it shipped directly to the customer, all without us having to make any custom designs, print the designs on the product, or even hold any inventory ourselves. But just for a little bit more proof on how well this can actually work, this custom sweatshirt is selling in the exact same way. So the customer gets to choose whatever name or text they want the sweatshirt to say, and the shop owner is going to customize it for them. They're targeting the wedding or bridal shower niche with this listing specifically, but they're selling the sweatshirt for $26.77, plus they're charging $4.25 of shipping, or about $31 in total revenue. But since we can use Printify to automate selling sweatshirts just like this, it only costs $12.89 to get the design printed on the sweatshirt, and then $7.39 to ship it directly to the customer. So if you take the total revenue of $31 minus the total costs of $20.28, we're left with about $10.71 of profit per sale. So with around 1,500 monthly sales, that's a little over $15,000 of profit per month. Or for a listing like this.
Okay, there are lots of talks, so you might think there is a lot of work, but actually not. Hello Custom is doing the custom designing job, and Printify is doing the printing job and shipping job. And Etsy is working as your store, and they are all connected. However, there is a big problem. Etsy is working as a store, Hello Custom is giving you custom design, and Printify is doing the printing and shipping job. So where is your traffic, Habibi? Your traffic is also coming from Etsy. However, the competition is brutal. So you need to run ads. Are you ready to run ads? Probably no. Beginners hate ads. And after all, if you run ads, how much profit will you actually make? On top of everything, you don't know whether your design will actually make you money or not. People will actually buy it or not. So just running ads out of nowhere is not the solution. This is also why dropshipping is dead today. So what's the solution for traffic? Social media. It's free traffic. However, there is another problem. Even if it's free traffic, selling something cheap like a shirt or custom shirt won't going to cut it. So you need something low price, medium price, and higher price products. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go and watch this training from moshbarry.com, or click the link in the description, or click the link in the bio, and learn how to sell high ticket products, make high ticket commissions without touching or without owning the product. And it's completely halal. It's not drop shipping I'm talking about. Watch the free training. Any question? DM me on Instagram. On to the next step.
This one, again, it's just a single custom word in the middle of the sweatshirt. 2,000 sales a month is around $60,000 of monthly revenue, or around $2,000 a day, and $20,000 of profit per month just from a single product listing in their shop. And this shop just happens to have a bunch of these custom listings that make sales every single month. I'll try and leave more examples down below, but now you can see I didn't even clickbait as hard as I could have. But now you can see just how well custom products work. There's 3 components that you need to be successful. First is an Etsy shop to sell your products. Etsy is key to making this entire business possible, because not only does it unlock millions of shoppers who come to buy products on Etsy already, but personalized products sell 3 times better on average than pre-made products on Etsy. Second is we need the custom design for the product that we're going to be selling. And third is marketing to actually get our products to sell. The very first step is to open up a shop to sell our products in. But to save us both time for today, I've created a completely free guide that will walk you through everything that you...
So this was a CARE's method of making $29,000 per month selling automated custom products. Is this really possible to make this kind of money? Absolutely yes. Is everyone going to make this kind of money with custom products? Absolutely no. Consistent improvers will make money. Consistent problem solver will make money. It's all about consistency and discipline. It's less about technique, less about niche, less about the money-making method. It's more about consistency. Just like your discipline at your 9 to 5. You are getting paid for your discipline there, right? Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you watch the free training from the link in the description. I will see you there. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.